Welcome to Chalkboard Academy. Please subscribe. This is your channel. Like, share how much you can. Really, we need your support. And in between the lesson, I will not tell again and again subscribe, like, and all that things. I know that it will irritate you, so that's why I'm not at all going to tell any more these things. First, only before starting the lesson, please subscribe and like. Thank you.
So we have seen some of the example how to convert from GDP, NDP or national income and all, right? Any doubt up to this that national income and all the things? No, right?
No.
Okay. Now that one of the table has made here, just you take a look that you can understand by doing what actually convert it into what. Now see that what is the thing first we are having here. This is net factor income. Okay, this thing actually the income coming from outside. Okay, so this is the net factor income I'm thinking, right? So now net factor okay, net factor income adding. So this one is the GDP at market price, or can say that gross value added. GDP at market price, that means of what? That within our country, what are the things actually we have produced, right? So now GDP at market price, if you adding NFIA, that is net factor income from abroad, check here that I am adding here NFIA, right? If you adding NFIA, that means that it converted gross national product market price. Have you seen that this point? This point is the gross national product market price. With GDPMP, I have added NFIA so that only D changes. D converted into national. So that MP is there, market price is there. Either it is G given or value added given, both are same only. Okay. So now net factor income from abroad I have added, it become gross national product at market price. Done. Okay. Now after that, if I am, check once here, if I am subtracting from here, okay, think about that. If I am subtracting from here, that is arrow C, huh? From where to where go. That is indirect taxes plus subsidies. Indirectly what? This is NIT, net indirect taxes. So if you subtracted net indirect taxes calculating how? Indirect tax minus subsidy. So that's the opposite they made. Okay, don't worry about that. Just you do that NIT. So if you subtracting NIT, just only change what? Market price to factor cost. Remaining same. Check once. GNP,
Yes.
FC. Done. Now arrow goes in this side. Now see that I am subtracting NFIA. Now net factor income from abroad I have subtracted. If net factor income from abroad I have subtracted, see only changes is what? National to domestic. See that? Factor cost, gross, national to domestic. Clear? Is that fine up to this? No?
Yes. It is fine. It's fine.
This point you not understood, right? This point? See here.
Understood, sir. I'm just seeing.
Okay, now come here this side to this side if you understood. GNPFC was there. Gross national product at factor cost was there. From this, if I depreciation, if I subtracted, depreciation otherwise known as consumption of fixed capital. Okay, consumption of capital also we can say that. So this is capital consumption I have subtracted. Capital consumption is nothing but what? Depreciation. Remember that, otherwise known as depreciation. So depreciation change, that means gross become net. Remaining all are same. See, net national product factor cost. Net national product factor cost. That's it. Clear?
Yes. Yes.
Now from here, if you're seeing here, see, gross domestic product factor cost is there. Again, consumption of fixed capital if I subtracted, that is depreciation I have subtracted. Now see that only gross to net. This was GDPMP. Now it become what? NDPFC. GDPFC was there here, NDPFC is there. Understood? Okay, now see this arrow. from this, what we have here, NDP FC we have. That means net domestic product factor cost we have. If I am adding net factor income from abroad with domestic, domestic become national. So that's why net national product factor cost, again it become net national product factor cost. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
If you check here to here also again, see that NDP FC, that is net domestic product factor cost. If you add indirect tax minus subsidies, indirectly what? Add NIT. Do this one. Add NIT, net indirect taxes. So add NIT, only factor cost and market price should change. So that factor cost become market price. Have you seen that?
Market. Yes.
Okay. Now from here to here again. See that NDP MP I have NDP MP plus NFIA. So that domestic become national. Again it become what? NNP MP because it was MP. Correct now? And domestic only converted into national. That's it. Remaining all are same. See, N domestic become national. Product market price. That's it. Clear? It is fine up to this.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay. Now next you see that again here. This one arrow this side. Huh? So now if NIT, if you subtracted again minus indirect tax plus subsidies, indirectly what? NIT. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you subtracting NIT, so market price become factor cost. So that's why NNP FC. That's it. Okay. Now see here to here the arrow. Now here see that it was NNP MP. If I am adding with NNP MP, that is depreciation, that is capital consumption otherwise. So only net become gross. So again it become gross national product market price. Is that okay? All you understood?